Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Middle of the week, hump day, so let's get some dinner going. In fact, I already kind of started prepping a little bit. I'm going to be making chicken fettuccine Alfredo. I'm going to be making it from scratch as well. I mean, I bought the noodles dried, but I'm going to be making the sauce from scratch. Which is actually surprisingly easy. But I was gonna do salmon because I thought that'd be nice, and I love salmon, but they didn't have any. I just wanted a couple of nice fillets to fit in my pan, and they didn't have any. They didn't have any nice salmon in there. They didn't have any portions like set up and prepped, and the salmon that was in the case looked pretty sad. So yeah, just no. So yeah, let's get cooking. All right. So, got some chicken thighs here. I happen to like chicken thighs. I think they're good. Now the idea is I'm going to brown these. I'm going to trim and brown them. If I roll up my sleeves, which I didn't do off camera, I'm going to trim and brown these up. Actually, this one here is a little smaller. I want to get an even size. Put that aside somewhere. Let's see. Gotta get my good knife out. Just trim off some of the extra fat. Actually one that's not too bad. So this one here has got this big piece I don't need. Little piece here I don't need. Trim. You know, it's gonna have a little fat, but that's fine. Alright. Got some Old Bay seasoning. Pan is getting hot. Alright. Just want to make sure you guys can see. Get these in the pan. Seasoning on that. Salt. And a little bit more garlic. I'm not going to be fully cooking these. I'm just going to be getting them started. And then I'll put them in the oven. And I got 2 more for tomorrow's dinner. So, sure. Alright. Give those a flip. Sweet. And I don't really have to worry about putting them in the waiting to the bottom to brown up because I'm just going to slide them right in the oven. And that bottom should be hot. I'll set the timer for 10 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, so I'm getting my water going for pasta, and if you look at the directions on the box, it'll tell you how long it needs to boil. So I'm going to bring this to a boil, and it's going to take 12 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and get it going now because I need the water to be a rolling boil before I add the pasta. It'll take 12 minutes to cook it, so it might be a little 1 or 2 minutes less, but you know, no, it's okay to read the directions and find out how long it's going to take. If I'd waited, my pasta would still be boiling while everything else was cooked. Alright, so broccoli's all prepped. Alrighty, so it's been 10 minutes. It's actually been like, how long has it been? It's been like 12. Well, no, like 11, because Judy and Spirit had opened up uploaded a new video, so I was watching it. I heard it beep and I go, oh man, it's right in the middle of the video. Alright. Flip the chicken over. Water started. I got 20 minutes because it takes 20 minutes to steam the broccoli, so should give me enough time to cook the chicken fully, boil the pasta. Still has 12 minutes, but as long as I can get the pasta in the water before the stuff. What was I saying? Am I having a stroke? Damn. So yeah, water, veggies, chicken. Okay, alright, so my water's starting to boil. So I may have timed this pretty well. Get my pasta out. Now, Alfredo pasta is notoriously thick, so I'm gonna do, I guess, that much. Maybe just a little bit more. Sometimes I boil too much pasta. I'll just throw 3 more in, call it good. There we go. Because it's actually gonna swell up too, so. There we go. Of course, you want to make sure you stir your pasta. I pre-salted the water. Gotta have salt in your pasta water. Actually put the lid back on, bring it back up to a boil, which should be really quick. And sometimes I'll just tilt it off like that so it holds in the heat. Let's see how the chicken's coming along. Oh yeah, it's way done. So we'll kill the heat on that. I don't have to bother checking the little one. I know it's gonna be spot on. So it's actually a little overcooked, but that's fine. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get the burner going for the sauce. So alright, so I got my chicken here on this rack so the grease can drain away. I try to avoid as much grease as I can, even though I eat a lot of bacon. Well, I actually been eating oatmeal lately, so not as much. Alright, so we're going to need some olive oil. As I just commented about grease, but gotta have olive oil in there because I'm going to be adding. Of course, I got some garlic here. And it's got the... Alright. Garlic's coming up the temp. Well, I mean, it's starting to cook up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And I'm measuring out a cup because I'm planning on making this again tomorrow. So I'll have the other half pint, which is 2 cups to a pint. I can make it again tomorrow, which I'm going to. Now I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of grated Parmesan and 1/3 of a cup of shredded Parmesan. This is how I was shown to do it. So, and basically, once those cheeses melted and blend with the garlic, it will thicken up to a nice sauce, thus Alfredo sauce. I probably could have cooked this in the other pan, but the other pan had the chicken in it, so. Alright, she's thickening up, getting thicker. I realized a little mistake. I had, you know, cold cream, but I threw it into a hot skillet, but it's alright. It's working out. And it's starting to thicken up. Fresh garlic would have been better, but I typically don't use it as fast enough, so I end up having to throw some of it away. So I just got the jar, and it was on sale, so it worked out. So it's starting to thicken up real nice. See, it sticks to the back of a spoon. See? I'm going to go ahead and reduce the heat down to medium-low. So it's getting real close. All right. My pasta's nice and loose. I'm using the... Oh, actually, it should be at 12 minutes, give or take. So break off a little piece. And just, you know, a little piece like that, and just eat it. Wow, real close. Probably just another minute or two. Alright, so while I'm waiting that couple minutes, I'm going to use the juice of half a lemon. Add it to my pasta. The citrus will cut through the, give it a nice flavor. Cut through any fat. Oh yeah, that is thickened up awesomely. Give it a little taste with the lemon in there. Oh man, all right, that's awesome. What I can probably do while I'm waiting for my pasta is go ahead and cut up my chicken. Throw it in the, just throw it right in the pan. Nice big pieces. Everything should be coming together. I'll just cut that bigger one in half. Get that in the water. Or not the water, the sauce. Sweet, oh, yeah. So the noodles are done. Perfect timing. I just realized I was gonna make garlic bread and I totally forgot. That was a fail on my part. The pasta didn't look like it came out too much either, so that's alright. I can live without bread, I guess. Kill the heat on this. Stir all that wonder together. Oh yeah. Got a little extra sauce. My broccoli just dinged, so it's done. I think it's time to get this sucker plated up. Let's see if I can manage this without spilling it everywhere. Wow, that's heavy. I made quite a bit for just 1 cup of sauce. And yeah, 2 chicken thighs. Put the broccoli on there. Voila! Oh wait. So here's the Parmesan I was talking about, the grated. Oh, shredded, excuse me. Add a little extra to the top. Oh yeah. Might as well add a little grated as well. Because why not? Let's taste it. Alright. Almost forgot. I cannot forget the freshly ground pepper. I actually had a, well actually it's right here. I actually got a wooden one But it was hard to get a hold of the peppercorn, so I guess I could have poured them out of there into here, but whatever. Alright, try a piece of chicken, goes right there on the edge. Nice and tender. Oh man. There you go. I'm definitely a twirler when I eat my pasta. Oh man. That is outstanding. That is really good. A plate like this in a restaurant probably costs you 25 bucks or more. I'm a little annoyed that I didn't do bread, but tell you what, got that cheesiness coming through, and then a little bit of lemon, citrus, fantastic. You got the broccoli. I'm gonna sit down and eat my dinner. Alright, well, needless to say, clean plate. I was actually kind of wishing that I had, I wish I was thinking that I wish I had made enough for seconds because it tasted so good, but as soon as I was done eating though, like, I was full, but not like tripping over myself, like food coma. So really good, and as you saw, really simple to make. I mean, wasn't difficult at all. So I would highly recommend giving it a try yourself. It was just a little olive oil, garlic, heavy cream, 2 kinds of cheese. Let it reduce a little. Melt that cheese. A little lemon juice, half a lemon. Squeeze it right in there. The pasta, the chicken, fantastic. So simple. And like I said, probably would have cost you a good 25 bucks in a restaurant. Easy. And I have more for tomorrow's dinner, so. Excuse me. Anyway, I do appreciate you watching. And next week's video might be a little longer because I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving Cast Iron Wednesday for next week. I'm already starting to plan what I'm going to make, so it might be a little bit longer because I got to go through all the steps, and I'm going to be prepping it. I'm going to start prepping it because I've been cooking them on Wednesdays now, but I'm going to start prepping it Monday and then Tuesday, and then I'm going to cook it Wednesday. So hopefully it will turn out, knock on wood. And as always, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.